Hi everyone and welcome to Trophic Levels. So a trophic level is another term that ecologists use to explain feeding relationships in an ecosystem. So trophic means feeding, and every member of a food chain is on a particular trophic level. So for example, here is my bottom trophic level, and you can see that I have plants. So that is my first trophic level. My first trophic level is always going to be made up of my producers, okay? Another type of organism that can be found in your first trophic level are decomposers. Hint, hint, that's on a quiz, okay? Decomposers can also be found on the bottom of the pyramid in the first trophic level. Your second trophic level is your primary consumers. So they are the herbivores that eat from the first trophic level. So for example, a bunny can eat these plants, these producers, therefore it's a primary consumer because it eats the producer, and it's on the second trophic level because it eats from the first trophic level. Another example is a deer. The third trophic level is the secondary consumer because it eats the primary consumer. It's the third trophic level because it eats from the second trophic level. So if you have a fox eating a bunny, that's an example. Or if you have like a lion eating a deer, that's another example. The fourth trophic level is made up of your tertiary consumer because the tertiary consumer will eat the secondary consumer. The fourth trophic level will eat from the third trophic level. So you could have a lion eating a fox or a hyena eating a deceased lion. That's all examples. Trophic levels above this are named from the number of further links in the food chain. So you could have a fifth trophic level, which would be a quaternary consumer, stuff like that. I also want you to notice how the pyramid shows the trophic levels getting smaller as you go up. That's going to be explained in the next video. That is really important because it has to do with energy loss.